And here's the thing about the Google breach that leaked data. And the information that was leaked, email, job titles, etc., right? But scammers love boring. That's exactly what they need to trick you with fake invoices or fake customer support.
Right. So the best move is please don't stress the leak. Just make sure your Google account uses passkeys.
Okay.
Not old school text codes. I think the best way is to do passkeys or authenticators. Uh,
Okay.
and cut off some of the old apps that you don't use, similar to what we were discussing on the Android side of the house.
Interesting.
Yep.
So let's dive into this WhatsApp thing,
Okay.
the Apple update,
Right.
right? So Apple and WhatsApp, they're facing the fancy stuff, spyware. I'm telling you,
Wow.
I don't know who's naming these spywares, but I'm starting to think that it's us and these marketing organizations that are behind all of these hacks because they all have such killer names. So this one is called fancy stuff spyware that and this is interesting because you and this is really scary because you really don't need to tap anything for you to
Yeah.
be a victim.
Are you saying that spyware groups are now hiring marketing people to brand their hacks?
Dude, the reality is that, you know me, right? I was on
Yeah,
the technical side and then I got onto the product development side
right.
and when I started moving towards onto like how do I get my product out there and focusing on the marketing aspect of the industry, I realized marketing is truly the biggest data collector in the industry, man.
That is
Like
true. That is true.
it is kind
The,
of mind blowing.
the
Um,
original spyware data
Dude,
collectors.
I'll tell you, Google is in business for a reason. Let's just
That
put it that way.
100%. I think that,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, that seals that conversation.
So when I tell you folks, all these applications are collecting data, there's a reason I'm telling you this. Just protect yourself.
Yeah. So your only defense when you have spyware stuff is make sure your applications are updated.
Hmm.
So turn on automatic updates, and you don't have to think about it again. So
Okay.
that's the solution to all this fancy stuff and spyware. Just make sure your applications are up to date with the latest release.
Okay. And just a quick bonus, on the iPhone, not that I'm knocking Android, but on the iPhone, you can turn off lock screen message previews and limit third-party keyboard access, right?
Oh, excellent.
Less,
That's cool.
yeah, less data leaking, less stress.
Nice. All
All right,
right.
man. Next topic, Android malware. Man, those 77 Android apps, you know, they start innocent and then flip later and start stealing.
Yeah. So like downloading a free calculator app as an example, that suddenly turns into a pickpocket. So if an app asks for accessibility permissions, huge red flag, delete it.
So bottom line for Android users, keep fewer apps, right? Audit monthly, less clutter, less risk.
Yeah.